Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn Ekegusii with Boyani. So today we are going to learn letters M and N in Ekegusii. So far we have learned letters A, Ba, Cha, Da, E, Fa, Ga, Ha, I, Ja, Ka, La. So today's letters is Ma and Na. And that's M and N in English. All right. So for letter M, the words that start with letter M, an example is manga. And manga is the name of a place. Now, we have a place called Manga Hills. Before Christianity came to Africa, before colonization and slavery, the Gusii people used to go to a place called Manga Hills to go and do their sacred prayers. Okay, so we have manga. Say it together with me. Manga. M is for manga. Manga. M is for manga. Manga. Okay? So we have one word that most modern Gusii people think that it's a Gusii word and it begins with M, but it is a borrowed word from Kiswahili. And this word is mama, meaning mother. Mama, meaning mother. The original traditional Gusii word of mama is baba. And what we now call baba traditionally is magokoro, grandmother. Baba means grandmother in modern Gusii language, but in traditional Gusii language, baba is magokoro. For letter N, we have words like nse, nse, nse. You do N like nse, meaning the ground. Nse. Speak together. Repeat after me, please. Nse, the ground. Okay? And we have names that begin with letter N. For example, a name like Nyakundi. When N is followed with Y in Ekegusii, the sound is nya, nya, Nyakundi. Okay? So, repeat together with me. N is for nse, 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 nse. N is for nse, 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 nse. Okay? All right. So, I hope you have got this far with me with the alphabet in Ekegusii. Kindly put what you've learned in the comments. Put the examples of the words that you know that begin with the letters that we have learned so far in the comments. Ask questions, And if you are a Gusii speaking person and you have noted a mistake somewhere, kindly rectify me in the comment section and let's learn together. Thank you so much. This is Boyani from Learn Ekegusii with Boyani. Kindly like, share, follow, and drop your thoughts in the comment section. And thank you so much. See you in the next lesson. This is lesson number 7. Bye-bye.